Hello, today we will guide you through Microsoft Teams how to include computer sound while screen sharing. To begin, open Microsoft Teams in your browser and make sure you are on the main Teams page. From there, go into the chat or meeting area shown on screen so you are in the correct workspace before starting the share process. This helps ensure you are sharing in the right conversation or meeting. Next, look to the left side navigation panel and click on Meet. This takes you to the area where you can access available meetings and join the session where you want to present. If you are following along in a browser, it may take a moment for the meeting options to load, so give it a second if needed. Once you can see the available meeting, click Join Sample Meeting. This opens the preview screen where Teams lets you get ready before entering. On this page, you may see your camera and microphone settings. You do not need to change anything here unless you want to. After that, click Join Now to enter the meeting. When you are inside the meeting room, wait for the meeting controls to appear. These controls are usually visible along the top or bottom of the screen, depending on your layout. Now click on the Share button at the top right area of the screen. This opens the sharing menu, where Teams gives you several options for what you want to present to the other participants. In the Share menu, click Screen, Window, or Tab. This is the option that lets you choose exactly what part of your computer you want others to see. It is also the point where including computer audio becomes part of the sharing process, so it is important to select the correct item carefully. Then choose the Sample Share Screen option shown in the Share Selection window. This tells Teams what display or content source you want to present. If you have multiple windows or screens open, double check that you are selecting the correct one before continuing. Finally, when your browser or system asks for permission, click Allow. This permission is what lets Microsoft Teams start sharing your selected screen content properly. If computer sound is supported in that selected share type, allowing this prompt is essential for the audio to be shared along with your screen. Once approved, your screen share will begin, and your audience will be able to follow along more smoothly. As a quick tip, it is always a good idea to test your audio sharing in a meeting beforehand so you can confirm everything works the way you expect.